Hey everyone, Don from Walttools here, and today, like the rest of the country, it's 95 to 100 degrees, and as any manufacturer recommends, do not seal concrete in days like this because you get too many sealer failures of typical sealers. But sometimes you have no choice, so that's why we have D2K sealer, which will tolerate high heat. It's a water-based product, so it's a little bit different. It does have a little bit of a solvent for the emulsifier. This water-based sealer will enhance the concrete and give you the ultimate protection. And the nice thing is you can use it even in desperate times like this. 4-to-1 blend, mix it up, put it in the sprayer, back roll it, and you're good to go. Let's get to work. So it's just drying. It'll take about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can walk on it in approximately 2 hours, and then traffic furniture the following day. Again, it's 98. It's windy, which means there's not an acrylic sealer that's going to work with this. No bubbles. No blistering, none of that. Just great color enhancement and unmatchable protection against the elements. Deco 2K, try it.